Hello, lovely ones. How are you today? I'm Miss Ifia Dwak. I'm excited to have you in class. Today we are having articles. Articles a and articles an. We have the articles a and an. And when we use a for consonants. We write a before the consonant sound, and we write an before vowel. So the 5 vowel sounds are a, o, a. So these are 4 of the 5 vowel sounds. So we'll be checking it so that whatever sound begins with vowel sounds we use an, and whatever sound does not begin with vowel sound we use a. Is that clear? So let's go. Apple, apple, and apple. A, b, b is a consonant, b is a consonant. Egg, and egg, is vowel sound. Lion, a lion, and ice cream. A dog. Octopus, octopus. So is a vowel sound. Elephant. The beginning sound is a vowel sound, so we use an. O. The beginning sound is a vowel sound. O. Aeroplane, and aeroplane, and aeroplane. Do you see this? Okay, I will need you to like, subscribe, or share the video. Let's go to the next one. Here you can see the A. We use it with consonant sound, and the an we use it with word that begins with vowel sound. Here we have a car. We have a car. A doll. Apple, an apple. A mouse is a consonant sound. Aeroplane, that's a vowel sound. An aeroplane. Heart is a consonant sound. We say a heart. We say elephant, and we say an elephant, because elephant begins it, so we use a vowel sound. That's a vowel sound. We use an. Snake, a snake. A parrot, is a consonant sound. Egg, vowel sound, we use an. Cat, is a consonant sound, we use a. Armchair, so we use an. A baby, b is a consonant sound. Rabbit, a rabbit, is a consonant sound. Ice cream, so that's a vowel sound, we use an. Ice cream. A ladybug, so we use a, because it begins with a consonant sound. I need you to like the video, share, subscribe. Let's go to the next one. Here we have elephant. Elephant. Vowel sound, so we use an. Elephant. A car. That is a consonant. Lemon, so is a consonant. We use a lemon. Ice cream, an ice cream. Umbrella, an umbrella. A house, is a consonant sound. We have unicorn. The U there is a consonant sound, so we say a unicorn. An acorn, a t-shirt is a consonant sound. Oven, O is a vowel sound. We say an oven. An I, that's a vowel sound, so we use an I. Pencil, P. That's a consonant sound, so we say a pencil. Alright, let's go to the next one. We have a carrot. A carrot, K, is a consonant. Alligator, A is a vowel sound. We say an alligator. A van, V, is a consonant sound. We use A there. Uniform, U is a what? Is a consonant sound, so we use a uniform. Don't mind that it starts with U. It starts with that uniform. The U is a consonant sound, so we use a uniform. Lamp, a lamp. A dog is a consonant sound. A face is a consonant sound. An uncle is a vowel sound. We use an uncle. A tree. Egg, an egg, because egg is a vowel sound. Bell is a consonant sound. We use a bell. Igloo, a, that's vowel sound, so we say an igloo. I need you to like the video, subscribe or share. Send your comments. I'll be so glad.